Alright, we're gonna take Coast Guard up here. So, Coast Guard. We're gonna make our way to Union, right? To Union. The Coast Guard here. Alright, so we're gonna Coast Guard up here. We got 3 murderers back there. Alright. Alright, so that's where we're at right now. Alright, so.
Oh, and was it coming to us?
My bad.
So then you can
Say it back in? Back in?
Yes.
Alright.
That also ready.
So we're leaving, going up to Union. There you go. Peace. So, Major. Major. French vessel right here. Union Island. Oh, so that's a French right across? Alright, we're at Union Island, so we're going to disembark. See what it do.
Last have you been on one like this?
Then,
When last have you been on one like
last
this?
time I was a Marine captain on one of these, law enforcement, it was probably in 2006 and back.
I'm back.
Yeah,
Okay.
it was Marine 1.
Welcome back.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, so. Wow. Welcome to Union. Wow. Good morning. Water. Water. Filtration, water. For water? Oh, okay.
No, you good? Yeah.
Hey, we get enough.